What happens when simple pieces of fabric are transformed into something beautiful, meaningful, and completely unique? In today's quilt-making journey, we're turning carefully selected fabrics into a stunning patchwork quilt filled with color, texture, creativity, and timeless charm. From the very first fabric cut to piecing each block, sewing every seam, arranging the pattern, adding the batting and backing, and finishing with beautiful quilting details, you'll see how patience and imagination can turn ordinary fabric scraps into a handmade masterpiece. Whether you're a longtime quilter, a beginner learning your first quilt, or simply someone who loves satisfying sewing and crafting videos, this project is packed with inspiration you won't want to miss. Watch closely as each block comes together and the overall design slowly reveals itself. It's amazing how individual pieces can create something so beautiful when they are stitched together with care. There's something truly special about handmade quilts because they are more than blankets. They can become family keepsakes, treasured gifts, cozy home decorations, and memories that last for generations. In this video, I'll share the creative process behind this quilt, including fabric selection, color placement, piecing ideas, sewing techniques, quilting details, and the final finishing touches. If you love patchwork quilts, scrap quilts, traditional quilt blocks, modern quilting designs, DIY sewing projects, and relaxing quilting inspiration, you're definitely in the right place. Stay until the end to see the complete quilt reveal and discover how all those little fabric pieces come together into one beautiful finished design. And if you're watching this and thinking, I want to make one too, let this be your inspiration to start. You don't need perfect fabric or an enormous collection of supplies. Sometimes the most beautiful quilts begin with a small pile of leftover fabric and a creative idea. Every stitch adds character, every color brings personality, and